Welcome to our channel. Let's discuss how to find the factorial of a number in Python. Hit the like button and subscribe for more quick Python solutions. This line asks the user to type in a number. Input lets the user enter text. Int converts that input from text, string, into a number, integer. The number is stored in a variable called number. This line sets up a starting value for the factorial. The variable factorial starts at 1 because multiplying by 1 keeps the result the same. We will multiply this number by all the numbers from 2 up to the user's number. This checks if the user typed a negative number, like -5. If true, it prints a message because factorials are not defined for negative numbers. This checks if the number is 0 or 1. Both 0 and 1 equal 1, so we just print that directly. No need for a loop in this case. This part runs only if the number is 2 or higher. For I, in range 2, number plus 1 means start from 2 and go up to the number, including it. Example, if number is 5, I becomes 2, 3, 4, 5. Factorial asterisk equals I is short for factorial equals factorial asterisk I. It multiplies the current value by I again and again. After the loop is done, we print the final result.